Keyboard shortcuts and system commands for popular programs. What is a keyboard shortcut? In computing, a keyboard shortcut is a set of one or more keys that invoke a command in software or an operating system. They are typically an alternate means for invoking commands that would otherwise be accessible only through a menu, a mouse, or an aspect of the user interface. These shortcuts can expedite common operations by reducing input sequences to a few keystrokes. These shortcuts can provide an easier and quicker method of using computer programs. These commands are commonly accessed by using the Alt key on PC computers, Command key on Apple computers, Ctrl and Shift in conjunction with a single letter. These shortcuts are for the following programs and applications: Word, Windows, Internet Explorer, File Explorer, Windows System Commands, Excel, Mac, Finder. Shortcut keys in Microsoft Word: F1 key, get help on a selected command or use the Office Assistant. Shift and F1 key, review text formatting. F2 key, move text or image. Shift plus F2 key, copy text. F3 key, insert an autotext entry. Shift plus F3 key, change the case of the selected text. F4 key, perform last action again. Shift plus F4 key, perform a find or go to action again. F5 key, displays the go to dialog box. You can also get to find and replace from here. Shift plus F5 key, move to a previous revision. F6 key, go to the next frame or pane. Shift plus F6 key, go to the previous frame or pane. F7 key, launch the spell checker. Shift plus F7 key, launch the thesaurus. F8 key, extend the current selection. Shift plus F8 key, shrink the current selection. F9 key, refresh. Shift plus F9 key, switch between a field code and its result. F10 key, show key tips. Shift plus F10 key, display a shortcut menu, same as right-clicking. F11 key, go to the next field. Shift plus F11 key, go to the previous field. F12 key, open save as, equivalent to Tools menu. Shift plus F12 key, save document, equivalent to Tools menu. Ctrl and A, selects all in the current document. Ctrl and B, bold text. Ctrl and C, copies the item or text. Ctrl and D, displays the font dialog box. Ctrl and E, switch a paragraph between center and left alignment. Ctrl and F, displays the Find dialog box to search the current document. Ctrl and G, displays the Go to dialog box to search for a specific location in the current document. Ctrl and H, displays the Replace dialog box. Ctrl and I, italicize text. Ctrl and J, switch a paragraph between justified and left alignment. Ctrl and K, create a hyperlink. Ctrl and L, left align a paragraph. Ctrl and M, indent a paragraph from the left. Ctrl and N, create a new document. Ctrl and O, opens a new document. Ctrl and P, prints a document. Ctrl and R, switch the alignment of a paragraph between left and right. Ctrl and S, saves a document. Ctrl and U, underlines text. Ctrl and V, pastes the copied item or text. Ctrl and X, cuts the selected item or text. Ctrl and Y, redo the last action. Ctrl and Z, undo the last action. Ctrl and Enter, insert a page break. Ctrl and F2, select Print Preview command. Ctrl and F4, closes the active window. Ctrl and F6, opens the next window if multiple are open. Windows shortcut keys. Windows key plus R, opens the Run menu. Windows key plus E, opens Explorer. Alt plus Tab, switch between open programs. Windows key plus up arrow, maximize current window. Ctrl plus Shift plus Esc, open Task Manager. Windows key plus Break, opens System Properties. Windows key plus F, opens Search for files and folders. Windows key plus D, hide, display the desktop. Alt plus Esc, switch between programs in order they were opened. Alt plus Letter, select menu item by underlined letter. Ctrl plus Esc, open Start menu. Ctrl plus F4, close active document, does not work with some applications. Alt plus F4, quit active application or close current window. Alt plus spacebar, open menu for active program. Ctrl plus left or right arrow, move cursor forward or back one word. Ctrl plus up or down arrow, move cursor forward or back one paragraph. F1, open help menu for active application. Windows key plus M, minimize all windows. Shift plus Windows key plus M, restore windows that were minimized with previous keystroke. Windows plus F1, open Windows help and support. Windows plus Tab, open task view. Windows plus break, open the system properties dialog box. Hold right shift key for 8 seconds, switch filter keys on and off. Left alt plus left shift plus print screen, switch high contrast on and off. Left alt plus left shift plus num lock, switch mouse keys on and off. Press shift 5 times, switch sticky keys on and off. Hold num lock for 5 seconds, switch toggle keys on and off. Internet Explorer shortcut keys alt plus left arrow, backspace, go back to the previous page. Alt plus right arrow, go to next page. F5, refresh page. F11, toggle between full screen and regular view. Esc, stop downloading a page. Ctrl plus or zoom in or out of page by 10%. Ctrl plus enter adds www at the beginning and .com to the end of any text entered in the address bar. Ctrl plus D, add the current site to your favorites. Ctrl plus I, view your favorites. Ctrl plus N, open a new window. Ctrl plus P, print the current page. Ctrl plus T, open a new tab.
Ctrl plus F4, closes tabs in the background.
Ctrl plus Tab, switch between tabs. Spacebar, click the notification bar. Shift plus spacebar, move up one page. Alt plus down arrow, move a selected item down the favorites list. File Explorer shortcuts end, display bottom of current window. Home, display top of current window. Left arrow, collapse the current selections or select a parent folder. Right arrow, display the current selection or select the first subfolder. Windows system commands, type the following commands in your Run dialog box, Windows key plus R to run specific programs. If installed, Notepad, Notepad evmgmt.msc, Device Manager ms info 32, System Information Clean mgr, Disk Cleanup nt Backup, Backup or Restore Wizard, Windows Backup Utility mmc, Microsoft Management Console Excel, Microsoft Excel if installed, MS Access, Microsoft Access if installed, PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint if installed, WinWord, Microsoft Word if installed, Front PG, Microsoft FrontPage WordPad, WordPad Calc, Calculator MS MSGS, Windows Messenger MS Paint, Microsoft Paint WM Player, Windows Media Player RSTRUI, System Restore Control, opens the Control Panel. Control Printers, opens the Printers dialog box. CMD, Command Prompt. I Explore, Internet Explorer COM PMGMT.MSC, Computer Management DHCP MGMT.MSC, DHCP Management DNSMGMT.MSC, DNS Management Services.MSC, Services Event VWR, Event Viewer DSA.MSC, Active Directory Users and Computers DS Site.MSC, Active Directory Sites and Services. Microsoft Excel shortcut keys F2, edit the active cell. F5, displays the Go to box. F7, open the spelling dialog box to check a selected range. F11, create a chart of data in the current range in a separate sheet. Alt plus Shift plus F1, insert a new worksheet. Shift plus F3, opens Insert Function dialog box. Shift plus F5, opens the Find and Replace dialog box. Ctrl plus Shift plus colon, smiley face, enter the current time. Ctrl plus semicolon, winking face, enter the current date. Ctrl plus A, select all content in the worksheet. Ctrl plus B, bold highlighted selection. Ctrl plus I, italicize highlighted selection. Ctrl plus K, open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Ctrl plus U, underline highlighted selection. Ctrl plus 5, apply strike-through formatting. Ctrl plus P brings up the print dialog box. Ctrl plus Z undo. Ctrl plus F9 minimize a workbook window to an icon. Ctrl plus F10 maximize a selected workbook window. Ctrl plus F6 switch to the next workbook window when multiple are open. Ctrl plus page up move to previous sheet in a workbook. Ctrl plus page down move to next sheet in a workbook. Ctrl plus tab switch to next tab in dialog box. Ctrl plus apostrophe insert the value of the above cell into the cell currently selected. Ctrl plus Shift plus apply the number format. Ctrl plus Shift plus $ apply the currency format. Ctrl plus Shift plus hash apply the date format. Ctrl plus Shift plus % apply the percentage format. Ctrl plus Shift plus caret apply the exponential format.
Ctrl plus Shift plus at apply the time format.
Ctrl plus arrow key move to the edge of the current data region in a worksheet. Ctrl plus space select an entire column in a worksheet. Shift plus space select an entire row in a worksheet. Shortcuts for Mac: Command plus X cut selected text and copy it. Command plus C copy selected text. Command plus V paste copied text. Command plus Z undo previous command. Command plus A select all items. Command plus F open find window to search text. Command plus H hide windows of the front app. Command plus N open a new document or window. Command plus O open a selected item. Command plus P print current document. Command plus S save current document. Command plus W close front window. Command plus Q quit the app. Command plus M minimize the front window to the dock. Command plus spacebar open spotlight search field. Command plus tab switch between open apps. Command plus B bold selected text. Command plus I italicize selected text. Command plus U underline selected text. Command plus semicolon winking face find misspelled words in document. Option plus Command plus Esc choose an app to force quit. Shift plus Command plus tilde switch between open windows. Shift plus Command plus 3 take a screenshot. Fn plus up arrow scroll up one page. Fn plus down arrow scroll down one page. Fn plus left arrow scroll to beginning of document. Fn plus right arrow scroll to end of document. Finder shortcuts Shift plus Command plus F open all my files window. Shift plus Command plus K open network window. Option plus Command plus L open downloads folder. Shift plus Command plus O open documents folder. Shift plus Command plus U open utilities folder. Option plus Command plus D show or hide the doc. Shift plus Command plus N create a new folder. Command plus delete move selected item to the trash. Shift plus Command plus delete empty trash.